bubbles. Yeah, this is my first video, and I need to show you guys something before we get into it. Whoa, there you go, girl. This is my kitty. She just, oh, there she goes. All right, so yes, this is my first video, and I used to have a YouTube channel called Axis Cat, but that channel is old. It's like 1 to 2 years old, and I decided to make a new YouTube channel. I don't know what its name will be. Yes, I'm taking this before I actually make the YouTube channel. And this video, as you can hear in the background, will be about slime. Yeah, these are some slimes that I bought like a couple months ago and like a week ago. So, whoop. Oh, all right. So these are the slimes that these two I got a couple weeks ago. This one is old and a couple months ago. All right, let's start with this is by Nickelodeon. Shout out to them. Yeah. It is Piece of Cake. Super gooey fun. Let's take some of it out. I'm not going to take all of it. It's indeed shiny. Ah, it's sticky. Well, it did say gooey fun, so yeah. Ow! I don't know what I was expecting when I hit the slime, this small piece of slime on a wood table. So I really like this slime. It has beads in it. Most of them went to the bottom. I'm trying to get some. Ah, yeah, here, too. I kind of like it without the beads, but hey, it is pretty good. I'll take what I can get. Yeah, so that was the Nickelodeon slime Piece of Cake. Here is the blueberry pie filling. It's the same brand. Oh, and these have a fun scent, so I'm gonna tell you what this one smells like. That one smells like icing, I think. Yeah, icing. I'm expecting this one will smell like blueberries. Let's see. It smells something like blueberries. Alright. Hey, I think it has balls in it. Ugh, that sounds a little wrong. See? Like spongy balls. So since it's by the same company, I have a feeling my mom's coming in. Yeah, it feels really good like the other slime. It's not as sticky as the other slime though. And I like this slime. I like this slime as much as the this one. It smells like a bath bomb or something. Alright. Alright, time for the old slime. I don't know why I make those noises. Alright. This is a really sticky slime. Here, I can get it out. It leaves a little. Here it is. Hopefully there's no mold because I'm putting my hands on it. It's really sticky. I'm just going to leave it in there. So yeah, it doesn't, like when I'm trying to poke it, it's like jiggly slime. See that jiggle? Those I could poke really well. This one's just ick. But there was a toy that came with it. Here, I'll try to go get it. I am going to get it. No, wrong one. This toy came with that silver slime right there. Like you had to assemble the pieces. It was really hard because there was slime in the middle of the pieces. So, yeah. So, that was the video. Bye, peoples.